Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Now we have to, or actually we don't have to do anything more, because right here, right in the middle, we've got this graph which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. So in my case it was 38 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count, and basically if you want to, you can use two different ways to check some further details. You can tap inside this graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which is connected with the whole screen time. So you will be able to compare it in particular days of the week. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, up to you. And under it, you've got all of the apps listed with the exact time you've spent on them. And the second way of checking the details is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, phone, camera, and other. Simply tap on it and you will be able to again check the time on this dashboard, but as I said, this time it is tightly connected with the app. Again, we can change just from the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. If you decide that you spend really too much time on the screen, you can always set, for example, the focus mode or the bedtime mode, so you can reduce some distractions. Just like in the focus mode, you can mark the distracting apps, like for example any kind of social media, etc. You can set a schedule, so pick the start and the end time. You can pick the days in which you want to set the focus mode, and then your device will simply hide the notification from the distracting apps. So for sure it will improve your usage of the device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.